Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the three notes that define C# minor. C# is the root, E is the minor third, and G# is the fifth. Place your right hand thumb on C#, your third finger on E and fifth on G# so your hand feels balanced. Once settled, play them together slowly so you hear the minor quality. Make sure to keep fingers curved and wrist relaxed. This prevents tension and lets you repeat the chord cleanly and consistently. Once you can play the root position chord, work through the inversions so you can move smoothly between shapes. First inversion E-G-C#, and second inversion G-C#E. Practice arpeggiating them with steady eighth or quarter notes to build coordination. This helps your fingers find the positions without looking. Make sure to add the left hand on the root or octave to support harmony and maintain even tempo. Vary dynamics as you practice, so your ears learn the chord's color in different contexts. Finish by applying C# minor in simple progressions so you hear its function. Play C#M, move to F#M, then G# to practice common motion. Focus on smooth fingerings and minimizing hand shifts. Once done, connect chords without pausing so the progression feels natural. Make sure to keep even key pressure and release to avoid squeaky or muffled tones. If things go wrong, check finger curvature and ensure you press.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.